Today for math, boys and girls, I'm going to read you the story called Festival of Colors. We've been talking a lot about colors and shapes and numbers. So let's see what this book has to say about colors. Guavas are ripening. Lotuses are blooming. And Holi, the Indian Festival of Colors, is almost here. So you see, over here we have the lotuses blooming. Those are the flowers. And then the guavas, they're eating them. Chintu and Mintu are getting ready. Holly how, they whisper. They gather hibiscus flowers because hibiscus flowers make red. Those are big flowers. They gather orchids because orchids make purple. They gather marigolds because marigolds make orange. They gather irises because irises make blue. Then they lay the flowers out to dry. Then they separate the petals. And then they press the petals into fine powders. At last, the petal powders are ready. Chintu and Mintu are ready too. And so are their parents. And their friends. It looks like everybody wears white on this holiday. And their neighbors. And then poof, purple pops. Poof, red bursts. Poof, orange erupts. Poof, blue splashes. Poof, 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 poof. Holly high, holly high, holly high, everyone shouts. Taking the powder and they're throwing it at each other, you guys. And look what happens to their clothes. Holi is a festival of fresh starts and friendship and forgiveness. But for Chintu and Mintu, it's also a festival of fun. They even get it in their hair. The end. Festival of Colors. Now for your work today, you're going to get out your number book. The other day you worked on page 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So now you have a few more pages to do to finish your book. 6. Remember, you can highlight it, or if you don't have a highlighter, you can just use a marker. Highlight 6 around the hoop and make a loop. Color 6 ice cream cones. Fill in 6 squares. Trace the word 6 inside the bubble. Color 6 sticks. Draw 6 things. And trace the number 6 at the bottom. Same thing for 7. across the top, down from heaven. This time you get to color sailboats. 7 sailboats. And 8. 8 moons. Make an S. Close the gate. That's the way to make an 8. And 9. 9 flowers. Circle in a line makes the number 9. And then your last page. 10. Color 10 frogs and trace 1, 0. Now you'll know all of the numbers 0 to 10 in your number book.